But you know what? There's a microphone is. That's okay. Because it's all about Jesus. And how that through the power of the Holy Ghost, he rose from the dead. For that same spirit that raised up Mercedes, when she was pastoring over in Abilene, Pastor Coleman, Sister Janine Mongeline, I know